So, you just finished an all-time 2 months shredding around Chile, but then your friend Chips convinces you to go home via Ecuador for a quick rip. Next thing you know, you're disguising your kayaks as windsurfs, flying all through the night, praying that your windsurfs make it on the plane.
Kayak, kayak. 2 kayaks, oh my gosh.
You then find a taxi driver to take you to Baeza and get your first strokes on the legendary cheese house section with prime flows, only hours after landing. Okay, maybe not prime flows, but paddling on a travel day is the best kind of travel day.
Doctor, look into my eyes. I've been breathing air, but there's no sign of life. Doctor, problems in my chest. My heart feels cold as ice, but it's anybody's guess. Doctor, can you help me, 'cause I don't feel right. Better make it fast before I change my mind. Doctor, can you help me, 'cause I don't feel right. Better make it fast before I change my mind.
After some much needed rest, you got shown down the Oyakachi by local Diego.
Well, it's cold, 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 cold inside. Colder in the day than the dead of night. Cold, 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 cold inside. Doctor, can you help me? 'Cause something don't feel right. Something don't feel right. Sweet nurse, don't look at me that way. I've seen those eyes before, I can tell you want to play. Counselor, give me some advice. Tell me how hard will I fall if I live a double life. Doctor, can you help me, 'cause I don't.
Cascada de Ojin is the classic Ecuadorian waterfall just 1.5 hours from Baeza. A rally was due at some point, but today seemed like as good a day as any.
Leave the past behind. Just walk away.
Yeah, buddy.
When it's over and the heart breaks and the cracks begin to show. And the cracks begin to show. Past behind, just walk away. When it's over and the heart breaks and the cracks begin to show. 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 Leave the past behind. Begin to show. Begin to show.
Movie night.
Not a bad first couple of days in Ecuador.